Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Freaky Flair and we're back with another video and we're gonna play White Noise 2 Part 3. Yeah, go!
Yo, what's up people? Today I'm back with another video. Today is part 2 of White Noise 2. Let's head right into this crap, and as you can tell that was my cousin. So I did previously just play this game and the footage in the got recorded. Well, I was an idiot, I never clicked record and I found 5
I swear Part 3.
I found 5 clues and the guy just killed me in the end. Oh my god, it was so close. I'm not even like, it was in the same forest, same character. I found 5 clues and the guy killed me and I was like, no way. I was so close.
Broski, I still can't hear your voice.
So, so you can't have a voice to speak. So basically, my husband did one.
Are you Abbey of the Savior?
Holy crap, I'm in the church. I wasn't here before.
I'm watching you. Was that lightning? Yeah, man.
Oh my god, this is
wait, what are you doing right now?
Okay, I'm running and I'm picking up the things.
Did it just say the computer Did that yellow thing just come up behind you? Run! Yo, broski, I'm not even scared no more.
Let's go.
Turn around, Adia.
No, you got that. Yeah, I just tried. I just said
why is the screen going fuzzy?
Oh god. One more time he catches me and I'm dead. Oh my god.
Why did the screen just go fuzzy?
Oh my god! He got me so quick, man.
What happened?
How is he getting so quick? What the hell? I'm gonna travel with other people. What the hell? He's killing me so quick, man. I had 6 clues. What? I got some night, basic flashlight. We got 3 people in this lobby. We got me and a few. Okay, this is good. Okay, so we got 4 people with me, and we've got 1 creature to the other guy. So let's try and beat this guy. Okay, this is gonna be really sick if he stays in the game. Please, I'll stay with him. I might just stay with him. Access key is gonna be my base, I believe. I bet it's gonna be. Oh my god. Every time I get like 5 clues or 4 clues, who the hell is that?
Freaky.
Every time I get like 5 clues, 4 clues, doesn't work.
Freaky.
Yo.
Why are you not just standing around?
Nah, we're just waiting for other people to join.
Oh, did Zeski just join?
Yeah, he left as well. I don't know what he's doing with life. Why are you leaving? How do you write? How do you write?
Text to invite, innit?
Oh wait. Got it.
Who you gonna invite?
Got 5 tapes in my recenter game. did not work though. Died in the end. Okay, so I'm okay, you know what? I'm just gonna say this guy. FYI, I'm recording this. Sub to my channel, Freaky. Okay, guys, I'm shouting at my own channel in the middle of a game. How rated am I? Man is so rated. I'm not on a level. I'm so rated. I'm like such a tramp. I'm chatting at myself in the middle of the game. That is just sick. That is just mad. I'm loving this right now. Okay, so we're gonna head right into this, and the guy is, oh my god, let's go. Hopefully we can actually do something with 3 people instead of 1. Okay, so who answers? Waiting for players. Okay, so find the clues, avoid being told by the creature. Okay, so this guy, yeah, this girl, this guy. So both of these guys, we gotta get to the first clue, and that is saying the creature is behind us.
It started.
Yeah, I'm going with you guys. Oh, where we going, man? Where we going?
Why are you in front?
Nah, I'm following this lady now, yeah. Yeah. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. Where you taking me, man? Where you taking me? So, where are we going? We're down here. Holy crap, where are you going? Where are you going?
Can you flash that off? Can you flash that off? Oh, did he die? Freaky, did the other guy die? Run for your life, run like your life depends on it. Okay. Oh my god. Get past this. Okay, let me get out of this spot and ASAP. So I don't want to run, or else the guy will find me. But I have to get out of this goddamn place, man. Why be in here in the first place? Can you get... See your position. Stop running!
Okay, so...
What? You're gonna get hit by a creature now. Yo, what just happened?
You're on your own.
I think I'm on my own. I can't go back. I don't check the leaderboard. Wait, Mike is gone. Medusa Pat is with me. We got 6 blues left. Where's this Medusa Pat gone? Okay, where's this Medusa Pat gone?
Turn your flashlight off.
No, I'm not. I'm leaving my flashlight on.
Why?
How am I supposed to see?
But then he's gonna catch you.
Well, I can't see. So I'm gonna have to leave my flashlight on. Where's the other guy, man? He's... Oh, there he is. Jesus, pass. Let's see. Okay, come on, 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 come on. He's not gonna wait there, wait there, wait there, wait there. Wait, we're cracking. Wait, don't. Wait, don't. Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. This arcade chest is nearby. Next nearby switch is going to be great for knocking against those guys. Arcade switch. Where's the arcade switch? Okay. Okay. Transmitter. Transmitter. Got this. I got this. I got this. Got this. I got this. Wait, what? Ah! Before! Save me! God, that's save me! Like you guys do, we go save me!
You're collecting?
Wait, what? Where are we going? I don't have to use talking. Is that the...
You've all been caught then?
No. Still going.
Get that white light!
I can't use my flashlight. Get out the way fast. Get out the way fast. Get out the way either, but I have to be somewhere here. There's the arcade door. Okay.
You just put that one on.
What? That's massive arcade door.
Wait, who's that guy there?
The ghost guy is the guy who's dead.
Did you die?
You know, Jesus stay in. I'm staying in. Alright, I'm staying in. I'm staying in. Jesus stay in. I'm staying in. So if they stay in, I'll stay in. If they don't, that's the end of the video, guys. So let's see. Are they gonna stay?
Be Rinko. Yeah.
Are they staying? Okay, we're playing one more. This is it. One more and it's it, man. One more and we're playing our Pokemon video, guys. Oh my god, I can again and the same shelter, same bloody shelter. Are you serious? You guys stay with me this time, yeah? Stay with me. Let's go.
Have you already seen the monster?
Let's go, you guys, come on, let's go. Flashlight down there. Let's go.
Throw a light stick so I know that I'm watching live.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right.
Say 3, 2, 1 when you do it, okay? Okay, say 3, 2, 1.
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I got it. We got 6 more clues left. Okay,
7.
6, I just got one. Okay, let's go. Let's go again.
Remember, when you're gonna throw your light stick, say 3, 2, 1.
Turn around. Oh, the creature's right there. Everyone run.
Throw a light stick, say 3, 2, 1.
Everyone run.
Freaky!
Someone take me. Someone take me. No, someone take me.
Remember, throw a light stick and say 3, 2, 1 so I can watch it. No, you're still alive?
I just got killed. Follow me.
Listen, I don't even know if I'm watching you live. Like, show me something that I'm watching you live. Bob, do something so I know that you're gonna be live, that I'm watching you right now as you're playing.
I'll banish one of those. Banish another one right now.
When you banish it, say 3, 2, 1.
I'm banishing another one right now. I'm gonna banish it right now.
Is it when it...
I'm starting to banish it right now.
Okay, yeah, I'm watching you live then.
Done.
Turn on your flashlight and then turn it off. Tell me when you're gonna do it.
What is this for?
Other guy can
You've only got 5 clues to find now because she found the other one.
No way did this guy. Wow.
You know what? I'm going for one last game. One last game. All of you stay with me next to me. Okay, then just leave. Okay, Micah level 1. Are you serious? Can I go check if there's any other 5 games? Oh my god,
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's